and gentlemen, welcome to the second episode of Fusion Festival 2021. My name is Gurpriya Bamra and it is pleasure to be here with all of you tonight. We have prepared a show for you with the best entertainment full of music, art and much more. I would like to take a moment to thank all of you for your support to the South Asian community in the province of Alberta. The Fusion Festival 2021 has been brought to you by Multicultural Media and Foundation, Canadian Heritage, Alberta Foundation for the Arts. With their astonishing variety of geographical, cultural, and artistic characteristics, each country from the South Asian region has made significant contributions to the development of Alberta's multicultural landscape. Without further ado, let's start with music here at Fusion Festival 2021.
Mose
Fusion Festival is being broadcast on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Follow us. Today we will have an episode full of music, arts, and the uplifting energy of the South Asian community. This is Fusion Festival 2021. Hey everyone, we just heard the song Chhaap Tilak Sab Chheeni by Indian Music Ensemble by Subhash Kiri. Qawwali is very popular music style of the Indian subcontinent. It's a form of Sufi devotional Islamic singing originally performed at Sufi shrines. Today, this style has received international popularity. The musicians of this extraordinary musical productions are, for harmonium and voice, Subhash Kiri, tabla Amrit Pal Singh, voices Ritu Arvikar, Amrit Garewal and Lakshmi, music arrangements by Subhash Kiri. This is Fusion Festival 2021.
चिराग तेरे पलड़ हमेशा चार चिराग तेरे पलड़ हमेशा पंचवा में पालड़ आई भला झूले लालड़ पंचवा में पंचवा में बालड़ आई भला झूले लालड़ सिंदड़ी दा से बड़दा सती समाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अलीदा पहला नंबर अलीदा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी सामाज कलंदर सखी सामाज कलंदर हो लाल मेरी है लाल मेरी झनन झनन तेरे नौबत बाजे झनन झनन तेरे नौबत बाजे नाल बजे घड़ी याल भला झूले लालड़ नाल बजे नाल बजे घड़ी याल भला झूले लालड़ सिंदड़ी दा से बड़दा सखी साबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अलीदा पहला नंबर अलीदा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी शाबाज कलंदर सखी शाबाज कलंदर सखी शाबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर
Wow, brilliant music production. Big applause to the Indian Music Ensemble by Subhash Giri. They interpreted for us two songs with traditional roots that have been practiced for centuries by the people of South Asia. Dear friends, it's time to highlight some of the businesses that have made an impact in the province of Alberta. Up next, we have Amba Jewelers, a jewelry store that has become an absolute success here in Edmonton. The story of Amba Jewelers begins in the year 1971 in Bhavanigarh, a small town in Punjab, India. Mangal Ram decided to take the family gold making tradition to a different level and commercialize it, and that's where Amba Jewelers came into existence. Amba Jewelry not only specializes in 22 karat gold, but also has an exclusive collection of diamond jewelry. You can find them at Millwoods Town Centre Mall.
Hi, my name is Angela from Amba Jewelers. So we'll be supporting the Fusion Festival, which will be happening this weekend, Saturday, Sunday. It'll be live on YouTube. Please visit us at Amba Jewelers. We focus on 22 karat gold. We're here to serve our customers. We guarantee the purity of our gold. see the purity of our gold. All of our jewelry is 916 and it's certified from Dubai. We focus on designs such as like earrings, sets with matching earrings. We also focus on things like rings. Beautiful hoops, beautiful chains. And we're gonna move towards our beautiful bangles. All of our designs are very unique. We also have men's bracelets, men's rings, and last, we also cater to silver as well. So we can see in this area, so we carry very high quality Italian silver. Please visit us at Amba Jewelers. My name is Angela and we look forward to seeing you on the Fusion Festival this week.
Exquisite job from Amba Jewelers. Let's continue with more music here at Fusion Festival 2021.
Hi, yo. I hope you're all doing good and surviving in the COVID quarantine. I'm going to play something a little slower. This one's called Starlight. It's a song I wrote about 10 years ago, and it's just about starry night sky and the clouds and the rain come in and then passes and the stars all come out again. Everything is really beautiful. Lights just shining down on the landscape. So, hope you can imagine that while I'm playing, and hope this brightens your day a little bit. So, hope you're all doing good. I'm going to play a Carnatic piece for you, South Indian classical music. It's called Vallabhanai Kasya. The raga is called Begara, and the composer is Muthuswami Mishkar. Notice I'm sitting cross-legged and bracing my line against the candy seal. I got an open tune, C, G, C, G, kind of across the tune violin and viola. And I got a beat machine, singing the beat, and I'm supposed to play a song or two. I would prefer to have a real person playing the beat, but that's what I have to do when I'm practicing at home. So hope you like it, and enjoy yourself.
we just saw Gautam Karnik, an extraordinary violinist with an extensive music trajectory. He currently lives in Edmonton and is doing a brilliant job spreading the South Asian music culture in the province of Alberta. Gautam Karnik is currently working on an exquisite music production in which we would be able to listen and experience his undeniable talent and absolute passion for music. Friends, it is time to take a moment and send a warm thank you to our fantastic sponsors. We won't be able to make this festival possible without them. The Fusion Festival 2021 sponsors are Multicultural Media and Foundation, Canadian Heritage, Alberta Foundation for the Arts. Thank you for supporting the cultural activities in Canada. Up next, we have another deluxe guest and thriving business. Pristine Beauty Salon is here to show us their extraordinary beauty services such as threading, waxing, facials, and much more. Join us in this visit to Pristine Beauty Salon.
Hi everyone, this is Jonam here from Pristine Beauty Salon. We are supporting Fusion Festival this year and our services are threading, facials and waxings for all skin types. And to book an appointment, please call me at 514-573-8500 and my Instagram handle is Pristine Beauty Salon. Thank you.
One of the most popular and definitely favorite things about South Asian culture is our food. Do you know where you can find one of the most exquisite South Asian cuisines here in Edmonton? At Curries and Puffs. They offer a range of diverse, delicious and traditional dishes that are also healthy, inexpensive and prepared with the best gastronomic standards in the city of Edmonton. I would love to take you all for dinner at Curries and Puffs, but because we are doing this festival online, I will do my best to showcase their culinary skills. Let's give them a visit at Millwoods Town Centre Mall. Join me.
Hello, my name is Sonam Paul. I'm from Curries and Puffs, and this year we are spotting the Fusion Festivals. And you can visit my restaurant. We are making here fresh foods, and if we have some specials, chole bhature from Delhi styles, we have chole kulche, or we are selling here parathas too, and we have some attractions items here, vegetables patty, we have chicken patty and paneer patty, and we are making from the scratch here, and you can visit us. We are in the Millwood Town Centre. My phone number is 780-760-6444. Thank you.
साजन मोरे घर आया है, साजन मोरे घर आया, आँखियन में सुख पाए, आँखियन में सुख पाए, साजन मोरे घर आए, आए
We just enjoyed the amazing musicians of Indian Music Academy with the song Sajjan More. This is an Edmonton-based music academy that teaches Indian instruments, namely sitar, tabla, bansuri, harmonium, guitar, violin, dholak, and voice. Group and individual lessons are available for all age groups in person and online. Instruments are available for rent and purchase. Emphasis is given to performing arts and students perform in various concerts every year. The Indian Music Academy is composed of Raghav Vamaraju in the keys, Ojas Joshi playing tabla, Shruti Nair and Raghav Vamaraju are the vocals, and Sharmila Mathur playing the sitar and musical direction. Dear friends, unfortunately we have come to the end of this episode. But I would love to invite you to join us tomorrow same time at any of our social media platforms. Choose your favorite and enjoy amazing music, art, food and much more. This is Fusion Festival 2021. Dear friends, unfortunately we have come to the end of Fusion Festival 2021. We are already working on next year's Fusion Festival, and let me tell you a little secret. It's going to be unbelievable. So see you at Fusion Festival 2022 and let's celebrate together South Asian culture. We are going to close Fusion Festival with a golden performance, Padharo, a traditional song with some interesting musical arrangements by the Indian Music Academy. This was Fusion Festival 2021. Till next time.
केसरिया बाला पधारो
पधारो
हमारे पधारो मारे देश केसरिया बालम आओनी पधारो मारे देश रे पधारो मारे देश दरिया